So in this PixArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pixelize an image here on PixArt. So once you have PixArt open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on where it says Effects. So on this bottom bar right here between Tools and Text, simply just press on Effects. Then I want you to just go to the Blur tab. So for me, it's already on the Blur tab, but if you're just on Simple for whatever reason, just slide this bar at the bottom to where it says blur. And if you want to use Pixelize, just swipe this all the way to the right until you come across the option that says Pixelize right here. Press on that, and there you go. That's how you guys can pixelize. And if you want to do it even further, press on it one more time. And then you can adjust the amounts. If you want to make it super pixelized, you can, or less pixelized, you can as well. Just play around with it. Once that is done, simply just go to the top right and press on apply. And there you go. That is how you guys can pixelize an image here on PixArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.